All right, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Here we go with another how-to video that I think is going to enhance. I think it's going to enhance your life. Now, I did a poll recently of what you wanted to learn, and the winner was how to screencast, how to AirPlay your iPhone to a TV. And so, a couple things you need to know about this. This is what I'm going to show you how to do today. But first things first, your TV or your streaming device need to be on the same network, the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. If they're not on the same Wi-Fi network, this will never work, okay? So make sure they're both logged into the same Wi-Fi network. Then, let me start by screen sharing from my phone to my computer. Boom. There you go. And now, we're screen sharing, okay? How did I do this? I swiped down from the top right corner. One more time, top right corner, swipe down. And I chose this little icon here next to the lock button that's got the two screens. And I clicked on that. If I click stop screen mirroring, it will disappear. If I click screen mirroring again, it will pop up and show me what Apple compatible devices I have to screen mirror to. I choose my computer in this case, and it pops up, okay? So if you're not seeing your device, if you're not seeing the TV, then it may not accept Apple's screencast. Roku TVs do, at least the newer ones do. Apple TV boxes do. Fire Sticks do. Amazon Fire Sticks do. There's lots of devices that accept Apple AirPlay. But if you're not seeing it, it's either not compatible or you're not on the same Wi-Fi as the device, okay? But that is how you screen share to a device, okay? One last thing, some apps will let you just do it natively within the app, like on YouTube, okay? So if I'm watching a YouTube video,
most people have no clue that in 2023, the best way to make money on
it will
Amazon is not
actually,
with
come on,
physical
get off of
products.
this. I don't want to show that. They might get me for copyrights. But if you're watching a YouTube video, you can just click that AirPlay button right here and select the device you want to send it to, and it will send it to it. Sorry, let's close out of YouTube. I thought I was showing my screen to you.
Opportunities in 4,000 cities.
Get me out of here.
It's so
Okay, but you can, what I'm trying to say is some apps like YouTube, you can AirPlay right from your phone to the TV you want to AirPlay it to. It's not letting me record it at the same time, but I promise it works. If you found that video helpful on how to screencast or AirPlay from your phone to a TV, please stick around and watch another Teach Mom How video.